I had a question. I wanted to ask Hazur what he considers to be the most beautiful and important quality that a female Waqifa Nau could have, that a girl Waqifa Nau could have.
The foremost thing is you have to be pious, righteous, God-fearing, right? Offering 5-time prayers, right? Reading the Holy Quran and the translation of it. And after having finished that one, read the commentary of the Holy Quran. Try to understand the Holy Quran, the true teaching of the Holy Quran, and train yourself in a way that you can express and convey the true teachings of the Holy Quran, right, to others. Set your example as a true Waqifa Nau, right? And if you know there the true teaching of the Quran are that a woman or a girl should observe proper parda, right? Should refrain herself from mixing with the men or the society where which is not according to the traditions and teaching of the Quran and Islam. Okay? So you are the people who are going to set the examples, or you should set the example, so that other girls can follow you. Right? अगर तुम लोगों ने पर्दा छोड़ दिया, and if you leave पर्दा and your dress is not modest dress, and you are too much involved in fashion and other sort of things, and you are not caring for mixed gatherings, and it's so much interaction with men in your college and university, then you are not a true Waqifa Nau.
जी
ठीक है?
जज़ाकल्लाह।